Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a reused content using your Android phone without deleting the video. But before that, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to keep you updated. So if YouTube rejected your application for monetization because you have reused content, the only thing you can do is either to delete the video or edit or trim it. To trim, using your browser, go to your YouTube Studio. Click on Video section, then select the video you want to edit. Then go to Editor section. In here, you can zoom in the video timeline. So to take out a portion of a video which you think is a reused content, click on Trim button. Then drag this to the starting point of the portion you want to delete. Or you can specify the time by editing this. Say at 1:37. So before you edit, you should know which specific part you want to take out. Then click Split. Which will give you an option to drag this up to where you wanna split it. Or you can use this pointer again to specify the endpoint. So just edit the time, say 4:22. Then just drag this, then align it to this pointer. Then you can preview it. Just drag the pointer again and click the video play. Just do the process if you have multiple portions you wanna trim out. Once you're done, hit preview. Then that will bring up the save button. Just click it to save the changes you made. So it will take some time for YouTube to update the changes. So that would be all. If you have question, just comment down below.